Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y27s, with stylish design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.64-inch Full HD plus water drop notch display, with resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 85.4% screen-to-body ratio, with 650 nits peak brightness, with approximately 395 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with the 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording, maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 13 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Gold Plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 76.17 by 8.17 mm, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options burgundy black, garden green, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, IP54 dust and water resistance. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y27s has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 49,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 54,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y27s smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.